My name is Elinor Halverson. I have been a patient of Dr. Niegsch for a number of years. I complained to him about my sleep and understood that there was a dental appliance available that could help my sleep. I've been using a CPAP for a number of years, which has gotten to be a very big nuisance, actually. And it's been hard to keep it clean. It's also been hard for when I'm in bed sleeping at night to turn over. It gets in the way. So it has been an obstacle, really, for my sleep. So when Dr. Niegsch said that he was going to start giving these appliances, I decided that that's what I wanted. My sister has used one for a number of years, and she encouraged me. So I worked with Dr. Niegsch, and I have been using the dental appliance now for a few weeks, and it has made a big difference in my sleep. So I would encourage anyone that is interested to look into it and to try it. It's been a blessing for me.